welcome. You're watching Road to Recovery on NDTV. I'm Shweta Rajpal-Kohli. With the impact of the global recession slowly fading away, we bring you an insight into the recovery process, both globally and in India. This week, India's first quarter growth numbers for the financial year were released, and the 6.1% figure has prompted many top policy makers to declare that the worst of this crisis is over.
The rain is playing spoilsport, but is the Indian economy strong enough to weather the storm? Growth in the first quarter of the financial year does reflect that strength. With GDP growth for the first quarter coming in at 6.1%, the farm sector grew by 2.4%, while industry grew by 5%. But policymakers and corporates hope the pickup in industry will be enough to sustain strong growth for the rest of the year.
Definitely shows that the worst may be over, and we expect to see an improved performance in the subsequent quarters of the year.
But the biggest uncertainty for the economy still remains the agricultural sector, which accounts for roughly 18% of India's GDP. A weak monsoon is expected to lead to a drop in farm output and, more importantly, put a dampener on India's rural demand, hurting growth in the second and third quarters and preventing GDP growth from moving much above 6%.
We are expecting a significant slowdown in the second and particularly the third quarter, essentially or almost entirely because of the fall in projected fall in agricultural income following the drought.
While there is no denying that the drought will hurt growth, optimists maintain that strength in industry and services will offset the weakness in agriculture and allow India to remain one of the fastest growing economies in the world. With Ira Dugal in Mumbai, Mayami Chandani for NDTV.
The recession has been tough, but the worst may now finally be over. And as world's major economies now emerge from the global recession and try to get growth back on track, there's an interesting debate in global economic circles on the shape of the recovery. We bring you three possible scenarios. A V-shaped recovery is a vigorous and robust recovery reflecting a quick turnaround when pent-up demand is unleashed. The U-shaped recovery is more feeble and flatter when the bottom is prolonged before the recovery really sets in. In a W-shaped recovery, growth would return for a few quarters, rising back to the previous peak, followed again by a sharp decline and then ending again with another sharp rise. Joining me now to get a better sense of this global recovery process and its impact on India, Dr. Arvind Virmani, Chief Economic Advisor in the Finance Ministry and one of the government's key economic architects. Thank you so much, Dr. Virmani, for being with us here on the show.
Good to be here.
A growth number of 6.1% for the first quarter. Is it in line with the government's expectations, and what's the outlook going forward?
Well, basically, as we have been saying for some time, and what we repeated in the economic survey, we expected a U-shaped recovery in terms of quarters. So this is completely consistent with the pattern that was expected. So the 2 quarters which would be relatively slow are the one which came out and the next one. And beyond that, the last 2 quarters would pick up significantly.
Right, but Dr. Virmani, the first quarter number also does not reflect the impact of the drought. How badly do you think the weak monsoon will affect India's growth this year?
Well, basically, what we had said in the economic survey was that we expect an average growth for the year as a whole of 7%, assuming a normal monsoon. Now, this was, of course, written before the first negative reports came out on the monsoon. It had gone to print. Now, so taking... Now, the impact of the monsoon is very hazardous to guess. If you remember from last year, even till the end of the year, the estimates of agriculture were varying between negative and positive. But given whatever we know till now, this would mean that the forecast would have to be adjusted by about 0.5.
Tuba.com